what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play GUKENA, Ruth Wamuyu. It's a pretty easy song, so I'm sure you'll be able to play this song even if you're a beginner. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, also the notification, so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C sharp, and that's why my capo is on the first fret. So if you don't have a couple, you just have to play the same chords that I'm gonna teach you, but then you'll have to play it in the key of C. So very fast, I will just walk you through the progression of the song. The progression is 1 4 1 5 6 4 1 5 1 4 1 5 6 4 1 5 1, and that's the progression for the song from start to end. So the first chord that I'm holding is a C chord. This is a C chord, though in the real sense it's a C sharp, but I am assuming that I am in the key of C, so I'll just name the keys in as if I was in the key of C. So this is a C sharp. My pointer finger is on string number 1, string number 2 on the second fret. I mean string number 1, string number 2 on the first fret. I'm counting the frets from the capo, so I am this will be my first fret, second fret, third fret. So don't get confused. So pointer finger, string number 2 on the first fret. My middle finger, string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger, string number 5 on the third fret. So that's C chord. Then the chord that follows will be an F chord. F chord. My pointer finger is barring string number 1 and 2. My middle finger playing string number 3 on the second fret. My ring finger, string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger, string number 4 on the third fret. So that's chord F. Then the chord that follows will be C again, and then G. So G, my small finger is on string number 1, third fret, counted from the capo. My ring finger will be on string number 6, third fret, and my middle finger, string number 5 on the second fret. So G. Then the chord that follows will be an A minor chord. So A minor, my pointer finger is on string number 2, first fret, and then my middle finger, string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger, string number 3 on the second fret. So that's A minor chord. And then after the A minor, you play the F again, then C, then G, then C again. So those are the chords that that comprise that progression. So maybe on the rhythm, this is the rhythm that I'm playing. I don't know how. Just try to maybe listen how I'm playing it, and maybe try it out, because so guys, that's how you will play that song, and that's it for this tutorial. Remember to give a thumbs up to the tutorial if you learn from it. Also, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that notification button, subscribe first, and and then hit the notification button so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.